riffs, an A minor riff and an E minor riff. Here's the A minor riff. So my right hand's doing, starting on that second string, going to the third string, to the fourth string, E minor, cadence on the E minor, and then here's the second riff, and again using my thumb for the bass strings and my fingers for the treble strings. So here's the second riff. E minor on the bass string to the second fret on that fifth string, and then open fourth string, and then I'm going to slide the second fret up to the fifth fret to 7, 7, 5, pulling off on that second fret, fourth string, playing the E minor. A minor, E minor. Here's what my left hand's doing. A minor and E minor. Do it a little slower. Fourth string, sliding up to the fifth fret, to the seventh fret, back to the second fret, pulling off E minor chord. Just a couple of little riffs there. Again, Guitar Bobby. Thanks for watching. Just a couple of riffs. Again, just a combination of just strumming and picking. Peace.